Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tutu Adams, and I'm with you, Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tutu Adams, and I'm back today with another episode of School of Yoruba. And today we're back learning our numbers again, and we finished off yesterday on number 50. So, memory's low. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of School of Yoruba by Tutu Adams. I don't know what that was. But yeah, thank you so much for coming back to watch me again today. I do appreciate every view, every like, every comment, everybody that clicks on my page. I'm very grateful for you. We're back again with learning numbers, and today we are learning numbers 50 to 60. If you caught up with me yesterday with my last lesson, we covered numbers 40 to 50, and we know that number 50 is a daughter. Number 50 in Yoruba language is a daughter. So now we're about to go from 50 to 60, and it pretty much follows the same structure, so it should be very easy for us to pick that up today. Number 50 is a daughter. Number 51 is mokanlela daughter. Remember guys, when we're doing numbers 1 to 4, so 51, 41, 31, 21, we do le means added onto. So 51 is mokanlela daughter. The le symbolizes added onto. So mokanlela daughter. Mokan is 1. Le is added onto. Our daughter means 50. So mokanlela daughter is number 51. Next up is number 52, and number 52 is mejilela daughter. Mejilela daughter. Number 52 is mejilela daughter, which is 2 added to 50, which brings us to number 52, which is mejilela daughter. If I'm speaking too fast guys, please do let me know in the comment section so I can slow it down. But if it is if this comment video, because I can't go back and edit it once I put it up, if it's too fast for you, there's a function on the YouTube screen if you're watching on desktop where you can slow down the speed, so please do use that. I won't first of all, I won't know you're using it. Second of all, even if I did know it, I won't be offended at all. Anything for you to be able to learn. Number 53 is meta le la daughter. Number 3 is meta. Le means added on to. Daughter is 50, so 3 added on to 50 is meta le la daughter, which is number 53. Number 54 is mere le la daughter. Mere is 4, le is added on to. A daughter is 50. Mere le la daughter is number 54. So when we get to number 55, we start deducting. So number 55 is maru di logota, which is 5 taken away from 60. Maru is 5, d is taken away from or subtracted from, and 60 is ogota. So maru di logota. Maru di logota. Maru di logota is number 55. Number 56 follows the same rule, and it's 4 taken away from 60, which is mere di logota. So 4 mere. D is taken away from ogota is 60. So mere di logota is number 56. Number 57 also follows the same rule and is meta di logota. Meta is 3. D is taken away from. Ogota is 60, as we've now come to learn. So 3 taken away from 60 is 57. Meta di logota. Meta di logota. So number 57 is meta di logota. Number 58 follows the same rule. It's 2 taken away from 60, which is meji di logota. Meji di logota. So meji di logota is number 58. Number 59 is mokan di logota. Mokan di logota. If you watch my previous lessons, I've explained why it's mokan rather than okan. When I done my first lesson, my first numeracy lesson, I told you that 1 is okan. But when you're doing numbers that start with 1, you don't say okan di, you say mokan di. So you kind of need to personify it and add an M to it. That's just how we do it in Yoruba land. So mokan di logota is number 59. And that brings us to number 60, which is ogota. Ogota. Right, that's the end of it. But before we go, we always do a recap. So again from the top. Again from the top. So number 50 is a daughter. 51 is mokanle la daughter. 52 mejile la daughter. 53 metale la daughter. 54 merele Laadota. 55 Marun-di Logota. Fun fact, Ogota is referring to 3 times 20, by the way. So Ogun Meta. So 20, 40, 60. Remember, 40 is Ogun Meji. 60 is Ogun Meta. It's interesting how Yoruba language works. So the word Ogota is basically 20 times 3. I'll put it on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. 56 Merindi Logota. 57 Metadi Logota. 58 Mejidi Logota. 59 Mokondi Logota. And 60 is Ogota. Right, that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please do leave feedback. I need to know what's going on. I need to know that people are not just clicking on my video and clicking right off it. I need to know if you found it useful. I need to know what other type of content you'd prefer rather than me reading out numbers to you. I need to know. I just want to know. So please do let me know how you found this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you again tomorrow on School of Yoruba by Tutu Adams. Bye guys.